on the moonlight, I and I. When the sun lay down and the road get quiet, when the sweat of the day still cling to my skin, I walk slow where the shadow talking. Every footstep write a memory in the sand. Old lamp flicker by the zinc fence corner. Night breeze carry story from far. Mama says, son, listen to the silence, 'cause wisdom never shouts, it whispers soft. When the midnight drums start beating, every heart find time to hear. In the midnight dance we learn the truth, learn the truth, learn the truth. And I move slow, but we never fear. Chain on the mind, heavy as I roaring. Some man free, but them still can't see. Babylon promise shine like silver, but the cost too high for a soul like me. I see youth, them run from the rhythm, chasing shadow in a broken light. But the drum wait, patient in the darkness, teaching balance in the depth of night. When the midnight drums start calling, every lost soul find a way. In the midnight dance we stand upright, stand up, rock, sound upright. Step by step till the break of day. Mind your step, but don't fear the road. Storm pass quick, but truth stay long. The drum never lie, only man forget. So remember who you are when the night gets strong. Freedom start inside your chest before any chain fall to the ground. If you walk with love and carry respect, even silence will make a sound. Moonlight paint the yard in silver, barefoot pray on the cooling stone. Every scar tell part of the journey. Every heartbeat say you not alone. I give thanks for the fire inside me, still burning through the road been rough. In the circle Hear the drums speak now. Under moonlight, I and I. Oh. When the sun lay down and the road get quiet, when the sweat of the day still cling to my skin, I walk slow where the shadow talking. Every footstep writes a memory in the sand. Old lamp flicker by the zinc fence corner. Night breeze carries story from far. Mama says, son, listen to the silence, 'cause wisdom never shout, it whispers soft. When the midnight drums start beating, every heart find time to hear. In the midnight dance, we learn the truth. I and I move slow, but we never fear. Chain on the mind heavier than iron. Some man free, but them still can't see. Babylon promise shine like silver, but the cost too high for a soul like me. I see you, them run from the rhythm, chasing shadow in a broken line. But the drum wait patient in the darkness, teaching balance in the depth of night. When the midnight drums start calling, every lost soul find a way. In the midnight stand upright, step by step till the break of day. Mind your step, but don't fear the road. Storm pass quick, but troops stay long. The drum never lies, only man forgets. So remember who you are when the night gets strong. Freedom sign inside your chest before any chain fall to the ground. If you walk with love and carry respect, even silence will make a sound. Paint the yard in silver, barefoot prayer on the cooling stone. Every scar tell part of the journey. Every heartbeat say, you not alone. I give thanks for the fire inside me, still burning to the road been rough. In the circle of the midnight dancers, one small light always be enough. When the midnight drum keep turning, let your burden touch the ground. In the midnight dance we find our strength. found in the sacred sound. Dance with the night, dance with the land. Drums still talk when the tape run out. I and I whispered night, teach those who listen.